Hello everyone, welcome back. If you would like to see what I received in this Vox box, then you already know what to do. Just keep watching. And guys, if you want to know how to get your own Vox box, then I'll list the video below. Okay guys, so I am doing this with one hand because I can't find the piece to go to my tripod. So bear with me. Okay, so this is the Dove. Let's see what it's called. I just know it's the Dove Vox box. Normally guys, my card doesn't come so beat up, but it got here though. Yes, Dove Amplified Vox box. Okay, so when we open it, as you can already tell, it has a shampoo, a conditioner, and a mask. And these products are a pretty good size as well. I love massive amount of product because I have a lot of hair, guys. Yes. It looks like this. And I've actually seen... I'm sorry, guys. I was getting a phone call. And I've actually seen this product in the store. But I don't know. I'm really careful about the products that I'll use in my natural hair. And I just walked right by it because I didn't realize that it was for natural hair. I had no idea. I was like, oh, the packaging is nice, but I didn't even, stop to read, and I should have, but it is. So, yes, and it has aloe in it as well. It says for coils, curls, and waves, guys. And I will be doing a first impressions or review using these products as soon as I actually end this video, because I should have had this video up a long time ago. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys what was in my Vox box. I can't wait to try these products. I can't wait to actually, I really want to open them up so I can smell them and tell you guys what they smell like, but I don't have my okay, so I'm going to... Okay, guys, I opened each of them and smelled them. Okay, so the shampoo, it says a blend with aloe, and it just smells like a clean scent to me. Now, the recovery mask and the conditioner, the mask is blended with honey and the conditioner is blended with coconut milk. These two products both have a sweet scent to me. They both smell really, really good, like really good. I cannot wait to use them. I feel like if I use these products and my hair smells like it, it's just gonna be bomb. I don't know, but yeah, I'm hoping that they work well. Let's look on the back so we can see some things. Yeah, so no dyes, color safe, no parabens, crafted and tested for coily, curly hair. Yeah, guys, I cannot wait to try this. I wish you guys could smell it through the computer screen or phone screen or whatever you're watching this on. But yeah, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. And until next time, bye.